Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will explore one of the most universal and essential altered states of consciousness, sleep. We will examine the mechanisms of sleep, the brainwave patterns involved, the effects of sleep deprivation, and the various stages of sleep. Furthermore, we will delve into the nature of dreams and explore the leading theoretical explanations of why we dream. Additionally, we will touch on the concepts of extrasensory perception and intersensory perception. Definition of sleep. Sleep is a naturally occurring altered state of consciousness that is characterized by distinct patterns of brain waves and other physiological mechanisms. Sleep allows the body and brain to recuperate from the energy expended during waking activities. It is a reversible, recurrent state in which we lose awareness of our environment and bodily sensations. Sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation occurs when an individual does not get enough sleep over a prolonged period. The effects of sleep deprivation can be profound, including impaired cognitive function, example, memory, attention, problem solving, emotional instability, and mood changes, weakened immune system, hallucinations or microsleeps in severe cases. Brain waves and sleep. The brain exhibits different wave patterns during sleep and waking states, which can be measured by an electroencephalogram, EEG. These wave patterns include 1. Alpha waves present during relaxed, wakeful states, example, meditation, light relaxation. 2. Beta waves associated with active thinking and focus, prominent in the waking state. 3. Theta waves occur during light sleep and deep meditation, often linked to creativity. 4. Delta waves associated with deep sleep, slow wave sleep, and restorative processes. Stages of sleep. Sleep is divided into two major types: non-rapid eye movement, NREM, sleep, and rapid eye movement, REM, sleep. Each of these types of sleep has distinct stages. NREM sleep, non-rapid eye movement. NREM sleep is divided into four stages. Stage 1, light sleep, the transition from wakefulness to sleep. Brain waves slow down and muscle activity decreases. Stage 2, a deeper sleep characterized by sleep spindles and K complexes in EEG readings. Eye movement stops and the body temperature drops. Stage 3, the beginning of deep sleep. Delta waves start to appear, marking the transition into slow wave sleep. Stage 4, the deepest stage of NREM sleep, where delta waves dominate. This stage is critical for physical restoration and healing. REM sleep, rapid eye movement. REM sleep occurs after the NREM stages and is often referred to as stage 5 of sleep. During REM sleep, brain activity resembles that of wakefulness. Rapid eye movements occur, and vivid dreams are most likely to happen. Muscle activity is largely inhibited to prevent acting out dreams. REM sleep is critical for emotional regulation and memory consolidation. Dreams and theoretical explanations of dreaming. Dreams are a sequence of thoughts, images, and sensations that occur during sleep, predominantly during REM sleep. They are often spontaneous and can be fantastical, with imagination and memory temporarily blending with reality. Characteristics of dreams. Spontaneous thoughts. Dreams often reflect desires, fears, or unresolved conflicts. Illogical thinking. During dreams, our rational and logical thought processes are suspended, leading to bizarre and nonsensical storylines. Imagination and reality confusion. Dreams often mix imagination with fragments of memory, creating scenarios that feel real at the moment but may seem absurd upon waking. Studies on dreams. Calvin Hall and Kehnetel, these researchers conducted extensive studies on the content of dreams, exploring the themes, emotions, and characters that frequently appear in people's dreams. Theoretical explanations of dreaming. Psychoanalytic theory, Sigmund Freud. Freud's psychoanalytic theory of dreams suggests that dreams are the expression of unconscious desires and unresolved conflicts. According to Freud, manifest content, the literal storyline of the dream, often nonsensical and symbolic. Latent content, the hidden, unconscious meaning behind the dream, often related to repressed desires or fears. Information processing approach. This theory suggests that dreams help the brain process and consolidate information gathered during waking hours. It posits that dreams are a reflection of the brain organizing and storing memories. Physiological approach. The physiological explanation of dreams, including the activation synthesis hypothesis, suggests that dreams result from random neural activity in the brainstem. The cortex then attempts to synthesize this random activity into a coherent narrative, resulting in dreams. Psychocybernetic theory. This theory suggests that dreams function like a feedback system where the mind evaluates and modifies its stored experiences. In essence, dreams are a self-regulatory mechanism for emotional and cognitive processing. Extrasensory perception, ESP, and intersensory perception. Extrasensory perception, ESP. ESP refers to the ability to perceive information without using the traditional five senses. It includes phenomena like telepathy, clairvoyance, and precognition, though these concepts remain scientifically controversial. Intersensory perception. Intersensory perception involves the integration and interpretation of sensory input from multiple senses. It is critical for understanding how we perceive and make sense of our environment. Conclusion. In today's lecture, we explored sleep as an altered state of consciousness, examining the brainwave patterns involved and the different stages of sleep. We also delved into the fascinating world of dreams, discussing the characteristics of dreams and the leading theories that explain why we dream. Finally, we touched on the concepts of extrasensory and intersensory perception. Understanding sleep and dreams provides valuable insight into the workings of the human mind and consciousness, as these processes are integral to cognitive, emotional, and physiological well-being. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.